Adukio na Atuta na Iduere koteso college aloet neseji amunebe eponio Angetakin kolap lo okwang okalo ilukumniare kada kaisara luongon.
This is a sports project. Yeah. You should deliver a sports project. Yes.
Apugan itorte torionyet lo ashoman kedabole asho ngesi abu Atuta Teso college aloet aritai ebilion tendo pe ichunyak akpatakan kano asipokina Atuta na Iduere osemero ngol.
That is almost 40. So
but
people,
the time we are doing the finishing, that point will disappear.
But the 0.8 is too much. If it was 0.8 is okay. But 25.88, that 0.8 is almost 26.
Almost. Hey. But to go, if we subdivide,
that means wasting material.
William Okalebo, Loda Eruchokit, Adukio na Atuta kangin, Koteso college aloet, Ngesida ebalebi, Adoketait, na Adukio na Atuta kangin, Nesikwa nadol, Ainapeta no asipokin, ewaya.
Da Kopokani, Opoleja Adukio no swimming pool Teso college, Ida also Abokare Foundation, Naiba Samsugun excavation, Ijai I went aswa. Anuko anaibu ni Okosi Foundation kwa le slab. Idawasa weni kinaswa idariti so kwani Ministry of Education apu nerai provinga idawasa swam.
Tegaro na Adukio na Atuta kangin ngese abu itegar erasi atamana ngon kolap kalo kanyeta ngon okarukalo ido ojamunebe ayangaikini ilapito mon Itolo show. Reverend Canon Duncan Mugumuya, a commissioner, Loda Epolokit, Abolasho, Nuka physical education, Kotomorionget la showman, Keda Abolasho, Nyesi Lipit, Engare no kolo teso, Anyinebe, Ichobo Kitos Kesi, Anyanar Adukio na Atuta kangin.
Kana municipal city education officer. Yes, sir. The swimming pool must have toilets. When people go into water, the system works faster. That is one. Two, when people are to bathe, because from water they have to go into a changing room, and they usually bathe. So when you pour water, you know, in my Ankore culture, we usually say that when a kid is bathing, it's at the same time. So you may not differentiate whether the water is from here. They say that you are confusing like a kid who is bathing and urinating. So usually we do that. So make sure that that one should not be like there are washrooms, there are dressing rooms, and on top of them are the pavilion. So we'll find the steps moving behind.
Asipokino na Atuta kangin neside jamunebe ebuni aikeun atalantan kanejasi Iduere lu ashomak Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.